Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Black Shark 5 has a dual SIM slot. So in order to determine that, we'll need to find the slot, and it's right here on the bottom of this device. Now let's take a needle which should be included in the box, then stick it in that gap right here, not this one, as this is the microphone, sorry. Now let's stick it in, use a bit of a force. That way we should be able to open it like this. And now let's see. There's SIM 2, and SIM 1 on the other side. And that confirms this phone has a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.